Peter Carney from My Food Garden. Our coaching and advisory services in biodynamic gardening can be used by balcony gardeners, backyard gardeners, people looking to grow food as on a lifestyle block or to be self-sufficient, or small scale commercial growers who really want to grow vegetables, want to grow herbs, fruit trees, flowers, have pasture for animals. So covering a whole broad scale. So our coaching services cover that, and we work with clients in Australia and face-to-face in the southeast Queensland area where we are based, and we can also do it virtually online, and that can be for people anywhere really, and sometimes a travel overseas to do advisory work as well. So the coaching and advisory service can go over a period of time. We have a yearly coaching package following a startup session, and so or we have one-on-one project basis consulting where we can work through on different scales of projects. So many clients we've worked with over the years and followed their path, and my key philosophy with working with these coaching clients is to help them to establish this rhythm of activity over a year within the climate of where they are and also within the rhythm of their life, so that they can balance how they work and they can balance things in terms of how their skills improve over time to achieve the best possible result out of what they do in the garden or the farm. So this is always a tricky balance between balancing goals with what is possible and what can be improved over time in working in the best possible way with their space to progressively lift the quality of life in the soil and the plants. So have a look at our coaching packages on our website at myfoodgarden.com.au, and look forward to hearing from you to be a coaching client. Thank you.